Hi Pisces. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Okay. Pisces. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Fool card. What I feel here is, guys, in the past, I think you were involved with somebody, could be an earth sign individual who put you through a lot of pain. They probably they were juggling with between you and somebody else, and you found out that they're not being true to you, and this connection ended. Now this could just be a fling for some of you, where one person was more attached to the other person. If this was a relationship, then yes, of course, somebody else, the no, what I mean to say is the other person got away and they replaced you with somebody, and I'm really sorry that something like that happened. For many of you, from your side, I feel you saw them as a wish fulfilled. You saw them as a person who you could see a future with, but from their side, I don't think it was the same. They did not echo the same opinion as you. And what I feel is they were somebody who kept their feelings to themselves. They never opened up as much as you did, but they expected you to open up. They expected you to tell them each and everything that goes on in your life, while they were very secretive about their own lives. Um, they were silent. They did not know how to show love, basically. For some of you, I feel your partner did not know how to show love. They were detached. They could move on very fairly easily. You were the emotional one over here, Pisces. Some of you have been trying to manifest them back into your life. You still wait for them, and I feel that they are going to reach out to you because there's a lot of communication card, people coming back from your past. I feel this person wants to reach out to you and tell you how they have regretted it. um, some of you may be married to this person, and even if you hadn't got a divorce, you separated. Like, you're not divorced as such, but you don't live together. You know what I mean? And if that's the case, their mother or somebody in their home who is like a mother figure to them, she has, um, you know, forced them to come to you and apologize for whatever they did and however they treated you. Because I think now this may not resonate with everyone, but you were very close to your mother-in-law. Your mother-in-law or this person's mother or older sister or somebody in their life who they consider as their guiding light, their mother, she is very pained by this separation because she understood you, she valued you, and this person did not. Pisces, you could be dealing with somebody who could have a strong Sagittarius in their chart, or who could have a Scorpio in their chart, or is a Scorpio. I also see that there are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energies as well. and strong Virgo energies. So you could be dealing with a Virgo. Basically, all the signs are here, so it could be anyone, and so you need to see what resonates with you and what needs to be left. Um, it's like you are moving on to better times. You want to, move on to happier times and not pay attention to this person and their BS. But this person wants to come back and offer an apology to you. They have been feeling very regretful, also because how their this mother figure in their life has, how she has treated them after you left. Like she made sure they know they made a mistake and it was a huge one. And I feel some apologies coming in, and many of you might just give in to this and give your relationship another chance. If you're looking out for them, if you're still waiting for them to communicate, your communication is coming in, Pisces. And yeah, this is going to be a changed relationship. There'll be freshness, there'll be more emotional security, and I feel that this is going to be a fresh start. So there'll be a lot of terms and conditions laid out, and I think those will be laid out from your side, Pisces. And with time, you will start feeling empowered, and you'll also feel as if this person, whoever it is, they know your authority and your importance in their life. Justice will be served, guys. It could be a Libran that you're dealing with, and make sure whatever communication it is that comes your way, you think it through before reaching any conclusion. And don't take any hasty decisions because they're not going to work out in the long run. If this person can leave you once, they can leave you twice. Always remember that before taking a decision. I'm not saying that they will leave, but when a person shows such tendencies, they don't really leave very soon, right? These tendencies tend to stay with you. Something around the 24th, 28th, 30th, and 29th. Probably those are important dates for you. Pisces, you've got some extra messages. They are have faith in your dreams, expect powerful change. The energy is gaining momentum. It's time to release negativity, a time for healing. Now, the card at the bottom of this deck said a new romantic cycle begins. Now, as I said, that when this person comes back to you offering an apology and you give in to them, rest assured that there'll be a freshness to this connection. There will be a newfound honeymoon phase, there'll be a honeymoon phase that will happen, and it'll be beautiful, basically. So you can give them another chance, Pisces, if you want to. You know best about what you've been through and how you want to deal with things. My cards can only guide you and tell you, if things go this way, then this might happen, else something else will happen. Tarots are just they work on intuition. There's a card that says there's something better. Now, if you're holding on to the past negativity, I think when you let go of it, you'll realize that giving this person another chance, giving your love another chance was something better. And that's what you were waiting for. If not, if you guys do not want to be with the same person and you want somebody else, then that could also turn out to be better than what went. If if there's a new romantic cycle that begins, it could be with somebody else. Somebody could be coming your way and taking you away from this pain and bringing about balance in your life. um yeah, Pisces, even if it's the whether it's the old or the new, it's going to work out to your benefit. It's going to make you very happy, and you'll feel beautiful and powerful. So no matter what you choose, it's a win-win situation, Pisces. I'm glad that you got this in your reading, and I'm so happy that you are finally getting out of this negative energy and into something beautiful. So, yes, we leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Pisces.